Good morning, day 34 of 75 Hard. Let's have a little nutrition lesson today. So this morning, jumped on the scale like I do every single day, and I was up 2 pounds from yesterday. I know people freak out, I don't recommend weighing yourself every day unless you know you can mentally handle it, because it's like this. It's a roller coaster every day. Anyway, so 2 pounds heavier than I was yesterday. If we look at this from a science standpoint, it takes 3,500 calories consumed to equal a pound. I'm not going to dig way into the science, but just know that that's a fact. If I actually gain 2 pounds of true body weight, that means I would have had to overeat by 7,000 calories yesterday. And that's overeating above and beyond what I normally eat, because I'm also working out twice a day and all the things, right? So when you see the scale go up 2 pounds in a day, just know that that's not true body weight gain. So what is it? Most likely it's sodium. We had a bunch of shrimp last night, like a bunch of shrimp, and shrimp are super salty. And we had this like frozen pasta dish thing that's also probably high in sodium. So I'm probably just retaining a lot of water in this moment. And I also lifted really heavy yesterday. And when you lift heavy, your muscles tend to retain extra moisture. So that's probably why I'm 2 pounds heavier. And I guarantee you by tomorrow morning, I'll be back down at least a pound of that, if not back down to where I was to begin with. But I'll report back tomorrow and let you know. So don't freak out over the scale. It's not that big of a deal. As long as you see the trend going the way you want it to, down or up or whatever over time, that's all that really matters. Y'all have a great day. Make good choices. I'll see you later. All right, folks, day 34. Seriously, I'll run to go. Day 34 is done. Hanging out with my little guy here before bedtime. You know, the weekends are always an adventure in timing and planning and figuring out when you're going to squeeze everything in. The water doesn't work the same. The food usually isn't too far off. The workouts get a little misconstrued. But regardless, we forge ahead. We have this massive cold front coming through Texas right now, and it's supposed to be freezing till like Friday. Today is Saturday. So just gonna be bundled up like an Eskimo outside every day. Right, buddy? He's distracted. Anyway, y'all have a great day. Make good choices. See you tomorrow.